Welcome to my channel smstechdesk. If you work with VxRail or plan to, this video gives you a powerful preview of our 5 hours VxRail Run and Maintenance training class. What's covered? This training is all about real-world operations, how to monitor, manage, troubleshoot, and secure your VxRail cluster like a seasoned admin. Built on Dell PowerEdge, vCen, and integrated with vCenter, VxRail demands precision. We'll help you master it. Cluster monitoring. Learn how to use VxRail Manager for cluster health, monitor nodes, disk groups, fans, and even network uplinks, all in one dashboard. We also show you how to decode alerts and proactively avoid issues before they escalate. Lifecycle management. Patch smart, not blind. The class walks you through pre-checks, version planning, and LCM rollbacks using the built-in VxRail LCM engine. Security and access. Security is critical. Learn how to apply compliance hardening, manage user roles, enable secure boot, and keep your cluster audit ready. Logs and troubleshooting. From VxVerify to secure log bundles, we dive deep into troubleshooting tools, root cause isolation, and Dell support best practices. Admin tips and daily tasks. We cover everyday admin work, cluster expansions, backup tips, license renewals, and even node replacement planning. Plus, real-world checklists you can start using on day 1. Class call to action. This 5-hour class is built for VxRail admins, IT operations teams, and virtualization engineers who want real confidence in running and maintaining their clusters. Link in description. Enroll today and level up your skills. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and follow smstechdesk for more VMware, Dell, and cloud tech content. See you in the next video.